Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I'm going to show you the location of the fuses on this Volvo S40. This is a 1998, so it's an R-Reg here in the UK, so it's a right-hand drive. Now the manual says there's two fuse boxes. One is in the fuse box interior, and this is located on the driver's side under the dash by the pedals. We're gonna have a look at that. This is a list of the fuses and what they're for. Also, in this interior box, behind the cover, there is a little key for removing fuses. So you have that little key there that you can use to take the fuses out. Also, the manual shows you a blown fuse, looks like that, and a normal or a sound fuse looks like that. The little filament inside is complete. If it's broken, then it's blown. So then we have the fuses on the engine compartment. In the engine compartment, and they're located when you open the bonnet on the right hand side, at the back behind the air filter. This is how they're numbered, and this is a list here of what they are for. Some more in here. There's also some relays in there. So now we're gonna have a look at the actual boxes and where they are. Now you might see this little star next to some of these, and that refers to, it says, to be able to remove these fuses, you must first pull up the yellow fuse holder, transport fuse, by hand, and then use the special tool to remove the fuse. So it just refers to certain fuses. So like number 10 audio, number 10 there, you have to pull the yellow fuse holder. So let's have a look at the interior fuses. So down here, footwell, on the right hand side up here is this little box. If you pull that cover out, that's where the fuses are. And you have some spares in here and that little key for removing fuses. So that's where this one is. And now we can have a look at the ones under the bonnet, engine bay. So if we come here, take this cover out, that's where those fuses are. You also have a list here, shows you more or less what the fuses are for. Now this is, I think this is the yellow cover that they're talking about. Now you need to remove it first before you can remove one of those fuses. So, and then we have some relays in there. And that's pretty much it. So that's where more or less where you can find your fuses on this S40. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.